Welcome to Woodcock Way, a stunning single-storey dwelling located on the Glann Road, mere minutes from Oughterard. This fabulous home is nestled on 0.75 acres of magnificently mature landscape site. The house itself is accessed via a sweeping driveway. It's extremely private and extremely quiet, but you can actually hear the birds singing. Let's take a look in the house. Woodcock Way is an extremely spacious home. It comes with 2 reception rooms. This is the main family reception room with solid wood flooring, solid fuel fireplace, sliding doors out to the garden, and just look at those views. Leading from the reception area, we have the very spacious open plan kitchen, informal dining area and seating here, built-in presses, and you also have a new stove here. Leading from the kitchen, you have right into the utility with doors leading out to the back gardens. Everywhere you look at this house, the views into the gardens are incredible. They're really super. Further accommodation at Woodcock Way include 4 double bedrooms, 2 of which are en suite. This is the master bedroom, exceptionally spacious. It comes with its own ensuite, walk-in wardrobe, and folks, just look at those views. There is also a main family bathroom with wainscoting and bath, and a separate office which could double up as a playroom, as a den, as a chill-out room for kids, or whatever suits the family's needs who buy this beautiful home. The charms of these gardens cannot be overstated. There are beautiful mature shrubbery at every spot, and every time you look somewhere around the corner, there's a special copse. There's a pond down there. Sunroom is here with doors from the sunroom, and stunning views onto the curb over here to our left. Woodcock Way is mere minutes to stroll from the fabulous Borrasheen Bay and Pier. Isn't it just amazing? So if you'd like to know more about this property, if you'd like to see this property, do give me, Michelle, a call on 087 25 00716. And now to see.